Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Thinkorswim for day trading options. First, log in and head to the Trade tab. Customize your layout by adding the Active Trader and Options chain gadgets. This setup allows for rapid order entry and clear market visibility. Always confirm real-time data is enabled for precise pricing, which is crucial for making informed decisions quickly. This foundational setup takes just a few minutes. Next, optimize your options chain. Configure it to show essential Greeks like delta and gamma alongside open interest and volume. For Active Trader, set default order quantities, perhaps 10 contracts, and preferred order types. This enables one-click order placement directly from the ladder, saving precious seconds. Adjust column settings to clearly display bid, ask, and last prices, ensuring you have all critical information at a glance for swift execution. Effective charting is vital for options day trading. Set up multiple chart windows, perhaps one for a 5-minute view and another for a 15-minute view. Add key technical indicators such as 200-period moving averages and the relative strength index. Utilize drawing tools to mark significant support and resistance levels. Finally, configure price alerts to notify you of potential entry or exit points, helping you react promptly to market movements. Risk management is paramount. Familiarize yourself with various order types, including limit, market, and stop-loss orders. Always implement stop-loss orders to cap potential losses on each trade, perhaps at a $200 maximum. Consider using bracket orders, which automatically place both a profit-taking limit order and a stop-loss order simultaneously. Before committing real capital, practice extensively with Thinkorswim's paper money feature to refine your strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.